Hey guys, it's Rick. Welcome to the HDVIBE channel. If you'd like to see rides, reviews, tips, tricks, product installs on Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles, and general information about the motorcycle community at large, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you do get notified when I do put out new content. And if you do subscribe, please leave a comment below so that I know that you have subscribed and I can personally thank you for subscribing to the channel and supporting my efforts here on the HDVIBE channel. So today I have a few pieces of mail that I want to share with you, and also kind of give you a preview of some of the upcoming content that I have coming up over the next several weeks and months. So we'll get into that right after this. Hey guys, we're back. So today, as I said, I have a little bit of a mail call. I got a few pieces of mail here that I want to share with you guys, and also talk about some of the upcoming content we have. I think really exciting stuff that I have coming up over the next couple months as we move into winter here in the Midwest, and there's probably not going to be as many ride videos, but I do try to get out whenever the weather gives me the opportunity, and wear my Volt heated gear. Affiliate link in the description for that. So today I want to share some mail that I got from you, that I got from some fellow YouTubers. The first one is from Riding Humboldt County and from Greg. So Greg sent this out a few weeks ago, and I've been waiting to kind of pull these things out. And let's see what we have here. We have some Riding Humboldt County stickers that he sent. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I got 4 of those, so those will go up. I need to find a place to start putting some of these stickers that I've gotten from some people. So if you will, please go out and support Greg's channel, Riding Humboldt County. Again, Greg does a lot of ride videos. He does a lot of drone footage and adds some nice backing music to those, and some really scenic pictures. And he's based out of Northern California, so I know he doesn't get great weather year-round, but certainly better weather than we have here in the Midwest. And go check his channel out. I certainly would appreciate it, as I know Greg would as well. Again, it's Riding Humboldt County. And so my second one here is from Kraken's Garage and Adventures. Don't get it confused. There is another one YouTube channel that's very similar to this, but Eric has Kraken's Garage and Adventures. And he is from the Virginia area, and he sent this to me a few weeks ago. He does put a nice seal here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, a wax seal on these. So let's open this up and see what Kraken's Garage and Adventures has sent. So we have a nice note here. Rick, thank you for the support. Wish you all the best on your YouTube journey, Eric. So a nice little note there, and we got a Kraken's Garage and Adventure sticker, another sticker in black, another one of those, and then a decal with some bright fluorescent orange, it looks like. And along with that, he sent some information as to how to apply the decals and stickers. Again, Kraken's Garage and Adventure. Eric is a great guy, has been very helpful to me as I have gotten the channel up and running, as has Greg at Riding Humboldt County. Some of the first YouTube motorcycle content creators that reached out to me and offered guidance and assistance as I've got into this journey here over the last 3 months or so. Again, Eric's channel, he covers a variety of topics all around motorcycling. Sometimes it's rides, sometimes it's about product reviews, some of the adventures that he goes on. So if you will, go over and check out Kraken's Garage and Adventures. Subscribe to his channel as well. I would appreciate it, and I know Eric would as well. So as I mentioned at the top of this, I do want to talk a little bit about some of the upcoming content that I have coming up. So I am and have decided to do a stage 1 upgrade on the 2019 Road King Special. So I've gotten a tuner that has come in. I already have slip-ons, and I need to also get in I think I'm going to go with a Screaming Eagle breather that I'm going to put onto the bike. So there'll be some content and some videos coming out on that. I have a variety of Custom Dynamics products. They have been great in supporting the channel. I'm going to be doing some more lighting and LED upgrades on the Road King Special primarily. And then I do have one that is a new product that Custom Dynamics is coming out with. They've pre-released, and you can make orders on this, but that one will actually go on the 2015 Street Glide Special. So hang on for some of that stuff. So some product installs coming up. I recently released a video on Thanksgiving Day on some Volt heated gear, and that is a 12 volt heated jacket liner. Again, thanks for Volt for the support of the channel. I do and will have an affiliate link in this video, as I do in the previous video that I released on that. That is a great premium heated jacket liner that I think if you're in the Midwest or the North, or where you do get all 3 seasons, it is a very good product. It's 12 volt. It hooks right into your bike battery, so that you don't have to worry about charging batteries, recharging batteries, losing battery power when you're out on a ride. So that's what we got coming up, guys. So I just wanted to do this quick video to kind of give you a little update. Again, I will release videos most likely on every Thursday in the evening around between 6 and 6:30 Central Time. And then a few kind of mixed in like this, a mail call, and sort of giving you some updates on the channel. So with that, I want to leave you with this. Life is short. Get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.